Hi students, welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today in this video we are going to discuss section 3 students. Section 1 already we completed. I kept questions in the video. Okay, section 1 completed. Section 2 also I completed. Okay, now coming to section 3 guys. Today we are going to discuss section 3 from 13 to 18. Okay, let's start. Let's start with 13th question guys. Okay, what is given? The radius of spherical balloon increased from 7 centimeters to 14 centimeters as the air is pumped into it. Find the ratio of volumes of balloon before and after pumping air. Okay, let's start. See students, 13th question. The radius of spherical balloon increased from 7 centimeters to 14 centimeters as the air pumped into it. Find the ratio of volumes of balloon before and after air. Okay, first take down the rough figure with radius with 7 centimeters and with 14 centimeters guys. Okay, given that the radius of spherical balloon increased from 7 to 14, right? We need to find the ratio of the volumes of balloon before and after pumping air. Okay, using surface area of sphere. Students, surface area of sphere. Okay, using surface area of sphere, formula is 4 pi r square students. 4 pi r square. Okay, first find the surface area of sphere, that is balloon, with a radius 7 centimeters. Then find surface area of balloon after pumping, that is with radius 14 centimeters. Okay, so overall we get the surface area of first balloon is 4 pi r1 square. The surface area of second balloon, that is 4 pi r2 square students. Because here 4 is same, 5 is same, differ by radius. So that's why we should keep numbers for radius only, not for pi, not for 4. Okay, now cancel like terms. We get r1 by r2 whole square students. So we get 7 by 14 whole square, that equal to 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 4. That equal to 1:4 students. Therefore the ratio of the surface area of the balloon is 1:4. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more updates. Okay, in the next video we are going to cover 14 sum students. Okay, please follow the steps and subscribe me and comment me for any doubts also. Okay, thank you.